My name is Troy Anthony. I am the artistic director of the Fire Ensemble. The Fire Ensemble is in its second year. Each session we focus on a different new work. This session we've been focusing on Pericles, my musical adaptation of Shakespeare's epic journey. This is the most ambitious project we have ever taken on. There are 19 songs, 16 of them feature the choir. We've brought in 10 equity actors to play all the roles in the play, and the choir makes up the ensemble.
We do these sessions where anybody can come to the shed weekly for these choir rehearsals.
We also got to spend some time at the center for a few weeks. It was great to go to a home that means so much to BIPOC and queer folks.
There's a lot of ritual involved. He likes to say that rehearsal is the thing. He prioritizes working in a way that centers collectivism over individualism. It prioritizes mutuality, collaboration. It pushes the shed to investigate our own practices in everything we do.
When I came to the shed, I was really at the beginning of my journey towards what does it mean to be an artist. I feel like in my art making practice, I'm always trying to kind of decenter myself. And I make better work when I am thinking about, who am I trying to serve?
Because Troy has a real unique relationship with us, he reminds us that this is about process and intention, and your budgets are moral documents.
The work that's being done in the Fire Ensemble, one may call it a religious experience or a spiritual experience, and it's all that. That's what really makes this special, because when you're in an environment where it's accepting, it's loving, you can't help but want to continue in community with people that accept you. The community that we've built, the family, and seeing the different reiterations of it, it's really great. I love you.
I love you too.
And that's not scripted.
With Pericles, we're building on the work that we've been doing with Troy for several years. Really, the heart of it is that Troy believes that the way that you create work is in a co-creation model with community members. The power is in the rehearsal, it's in the process, it's in the intention. There's something magical about the Fire Ensemble. Like a magnet, it attracts everyone, but Troy never loses the focus that we are here to center queer people of color. And it's interesting because I feel this world, we are struggling with what is real inclusive togetherness that's not like erasure. And the Fire Ensemble weekly rehearsals, 100 people gather that are mad different. It shows us the promise of what togetherness can mean while still centering those that often are marginalized.
I enjoy people. I enjoy community. I know that when you put community at the center of something, it changes everything.